All right, class. So the next lesson that we will be doing is abbreviations. Abbreviations are basically when you have a word and you make it shorter. So a short way to write a word. Most abbreviations begin with capital letters and end with periods. So let's look at the most common abbreviations that we know. We have the days of the week: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and they each have abbreviations to make them shorter. Sunday would be sun, period. Monday would be mon, period. Tuesday, Tues, period, and so on and so forth. So we have the months of the year, which some of them have abbreviations, but not all of them. So if they're a shorter named month already, meaning 3 letters or around 3 letters, then they're not going to have abbreviations, okay? So let's look. January is a long one. It abbreviates to Jan, period. February is a long one. Feb, period. March, it doesn't look that long, right? But we can still abbreviate it to Mar, period. April as well, APR, period. May is short, so no abbreviation. June is short, so no abbreviation. July is short, so it doesn't have any abbreviations either. August is Aug, period. September, Sept, period. October, Oct, period. November, Nov, period. And December, Dec, period. All right, so remember there are 3 months that do not have abbreviations: May, June, and July. So basically the months in the summer. Titles are special words used with people's names. Abbreviations are used for most titles. The title Miss does not have an abbreviation. So, like my name is Miss Denise, Miss space Diniz. My name, my title does not have an abbreviation because it's not that long. Okay? Every other title does, but Miss is the only one that does not. Okay? So we see here DR period is short for doctor. MR period is short for Mr. Miss, as we spoke about, that does not have an abbreviation. That's the word in itself. And it does not have a period either. You can see here they all have periods except for Miss. No period on Miss. Mrs. MRS period is what? A married woman, and Miss is like a single woman, a woman that's not married, and Ms. is just referring to any woman, okay? If you don't know if she's married or if she's single, or that's just a polite way to refer to a woman, okay? Ms., which is MS period. Okay, so that was a really short explanation. Let's go ahead to try it out. How would you write each name and abbreviation correctly? So we're going to see what we'd have to do to fix these. Fry. How would we fix Fry? Well, that's the abbreviation for Friday. So the F, first of all, would have to be capitalized. And then what do we have to add as well? The period. So it'd be Fry, period. What about November? But what about Nov? Well, it's the abbreviation for November. So it'd have to be capital N and a period at the end as well. Mr. Peter Adams? Well, Mr. has to be capital M and a period, just like right here. Number 4, Miss Rosa Santos. Well, Miss has to be capitalized. Do we put a period after it? No period after Miss. Remember, Miss does not have an abbreviation and there's no period. What about Oct? That's the abbreviation for October, so it'd be capital O and a period at the end. Dr. Pat Johnson? Capital D, period after the R. And that's how you fix those abbreviations. Let's go ahead to on your own to see what you're going to do. All right, so on your own, you are going to write the correct abbreviation for each day and each month. So on OneNote, you're going to see this right here, and you're going to see below it a little space for you to write each one of these correctly, okay? You're not highlighting, you're not doing anything, you are rewriting them, actually rewriting them in the space provided for you, okay? So you see here Monday, you're going to write the abbreviation for Monday. April, write the abbreviation for April. Tuesday, write it for Tuesday. September, write it for all of them, okay? This next part below, 19 through 24, says the schedule has 6 incorrect abbreviations. 6 incorrect abbreviations. Write the schedule correctly. For this one, you will pay very close attention. You will highlight the words that need to be capitalized, And if there needs to be a period added, you will get the pen in the draw tab and add the period, okay? That's part of the 6 mistakes. So you're either going to highlight where it needs to be capitalized. So this 2's right here needs to be capitalized. I'm going to highlight it. Or if you're missing a period, you are going to get the pen and add a period where it needs to be added, okay? So that is your instruction. So let's look at the example. 2's og 7. Mr. Will Fix-It talks about home repairs. So you see here, we need to capitalize the T and 2, so you would highlight that. You have to capitalize the A and og, highlight that. The M in Mr. needs to be capitalized, highlight that, and you would get the pen and add that period that needs to be added as well, okay? So I'm explaining to you what you need to do for this section right here. You're not just highlighting, okay? You have to find all 6 mistakes, and that includes adding periods in some places, okay? So go ahead to OneNote and work on your own numbers 7 through 24, all right? Good job, everybody.